Hiya wordsmiths, let's break down some vocabulary words. The words for this video are express and immerse. Let's do definitions. Express. Express is a verb. It means to communicate, to show what you think or feel. There's also expression, which is a noun. It means a common saying or the act of communicating. Or facial expression, like the delighted face I make when I learn a new word. I have a delighted expression. And immerse is also a verb. It means to put something underwater or to get deeply involved or interested in something. There's also an adjectival form of immerse, which is immersive. This adjective means making someone feel like they're completely surrounded or involved in an experience. Like virtual reality, where you put on the goggles and it feels like you're in the video game, that's immersive. Now, let's break these words down. Express. You may recognize the prefix ex, which means out or from. And then, of course, there's press. It's got Latin origins, sure, but it's an English word all its own. It means press. So express means to press out, to squish out. Say I take a whole bunch of olives and I put them in a press and I squeeze them really hard. They're going to express some olive oil. I'm going to press the oil out of them. And what if we switch around the prefixes and say in instead of ex, and in instead of out? Now, in front of a P, in becomes im. So to impress is to press something in. Imagine a block of clay or some soft wax and you're leaving a dent in it. You're leaving an impression. If somebody impresses you, figuratively, it's like they've made a dent on the soft clay of your memory. And speaking of the prefix in, let's talk about immersive. So there's in, meaning in, right? Mersive comes from mergere, meaning to plunge. So let me write merg here. Merg, to plunge. A plunging in. You can see this word in the English merge, right? Like to mix, to join up with, to merge with southbound traffic on I-90 leaving Chicago, or emerge, to come out of something, right? Which is ex-merge, but we take the X part out, so it's just emerge. But let's use these words in some sentences. This artwork, a machine that continuously smashes melons with a hammer, expresses the artist's powerful anger. Sir, please do not touch the artworks. The artwork shows, it communicates the artist's feelings. I did this on stage once, many years ago, for a theater performance. I smashed a cantaloupe with a brick, and cantaloupe gunk went sailing all the way across the stage, directly into my friend Steven's acoustic guitar. He forgave me, but it took a while. True story. Next sentence. In Katie's latest work of immersive theater, the audience becomes the jury for a trial performed by the actors. Immersive theater, you see, is when the audience becomes part of the play. They're surrounded by the play, and they're in the play themselves. These people in the jury box, they are the audience. They are immersed in the play, the same way a sponge is immersed in water in the sink. I hope you feel as though you have been immersed in the world of language study. Thanks for hanging out with me, wordsmiths. I'll see you in the next one. You can learn anything. David out.